Jai Gurudev student. Students, today we are studying the same chapter, that is the theory of supply, and in this chapter we are studying the topic price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply, you know student, that elasticity means change. That is how much there will be change in the supply of commodity due to the change in own price of the commodity. That is also known as law of supply. That law of supply tells us that there will be change in quantity supplied in response to change in own price of the commodity, but other factors will remain constant. And due to the change in own price of the commodity, there will be extension and contraction in supply. So price elasticity of supply means the how much there will be change in quantity supplied of a commodity in response to percentage change in own price of the commodity. प्राइस के चेंज होने से सप्लाई में कितना चेंज हो रहा है वो कहलाता है प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई. अगर प्राइस बढ़ेगा तो सप्लाई बढ़ेगी, प्राइस कम होगा तो सप्लाई कम होगी. दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एक्सटेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन सप्लाई. अब इलास्टिसिटी के थ्रू वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ मच देयर विल बी चेंज इन सप्लाई. सप्लाई में कितना परसेंटेज या कितना प्रोपोर्शनेट चेंज हो रहा है उसके प्राइस के चेंज होने के रिस्पॉन्स में, तो वही प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई कहलाता है. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई? यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, प्राइस elasticity of supply is the measurement of change in quantity supplied in response to change in own price of the commodity. क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड में चेंज हो रहा है. क्यों चेंज हो रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ चेंज इन ओन प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. अगर हमारी गुड्स के प्राइस में चेंज हो रहा है तो उसकी वजह से सप्लाई में जो भी चेंज होगा वो कहलाता है प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई. So this price elasticity of supply is the method of measurement of change in quantity supplied due to the change in own price of the commodity. And this can be measured by two different methods. That is, the methods of measurement of supply will be, number one is percentage change method. And the second is proportionate method. Basically they are not two different methods, they are the alternative method. That is, it can be percentage change method, or either we can find out proportionate change method or proportionate method of measuring price elasticity of supply. So first of all I am explaining that formula of percentage method. Percentage change method का formula है आपका elasticity of supply. ES, you know, E for elasticity and this for supply. Elasticity of supply is equals to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price, or either we can write percentage change in quantity upon percentage change in price. So this is the formula of percentage method. This is the ratio between percentage change in quantity supplied and percentage change in price. And in this method, no need to put minus sign before the formula, because in this supply you know that there is a positive relation. Demand में हम minus sign इसलिए indicate करते थे because there is a inverse relation between price and demand. But in the supply there will be the positive relation between price and supply. So no need to put any minus sign in this formula. So this is the method of percentage method, change method. Now next method is proportionate method. Proportionate method के फॉर्मूले से अगर हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे इलास्टिक सप्लाई, तो ES is equals to that is P upon Q into change in Q upon change in P. This is the proportionate method and this is percentage method. From these two methods we can find out the price elasticity of supply. Now change in Q, you can know that if change in Q means change in quantity or change in price is not given, so you have to find out change in Q का फॉर्मूला है Q1 minus Q upon Q into 100, and change in P you can find out P1 minus P upon P into 100. So this is percentage method and this is proportionate method. So from applying these two formulas, we can calculate the price elasticity of supply by percentage, either by percentage method or either by proportionate method.